Good morning. So for our full stack web development course, we'll be explaining about our campus service hub that we made. So our team we consist of three members, Prema Loshini, Anam Durgeshwari, and Noor Aina Edina binti Ahmad Ubaida. So our project is a web-based service platform for students that allows them to offer and manage service within a campus environment. So then the main idea of this system is to provide a centralized platform where students can create, edit, and manage their own services, such as tutoring, graphic design, repair service, and other kind of campus-related skill. So at the same time, admin user has a full control over the system, including managing users and overseeing all service data to ensure proper usage and system integrity. And the problem statements in many campus, students offer services informally through social media or word of mouth. So this makes it difficult to organize search and manage service efficiently. So the system solved the problem by providing a structured and reliable platform for students to showcase their all service in one place. And the target user is the system is mainly designed for the campus students who want to offer service and also staff or admin who manage the system. So the key features, the system includes several important features: authentication system for secure login and registration, service management, create, read, update, and delete for delete. Then image upload is to display the service related images. Ajax Live search for fast and real-time service searching. And then role-based access control for users and admin. Overall, this project is to aim and to improve how students connect and offer service in a more organized way. So our objective this project is a dynamic multi-page web application built for students to offer and manage services in a campus environment. It is developed using PHP for backend logic, MySQL for database management, and Bootstrap for responsive design. In the authentication roles, the system has login system with different user roles. Admin can manage all the data while the student can manage only their own services. And then there's validation. The system uses client-side validation to check input before submitting. And then server-side validation is to ensure the data is secure and correct. The Ajax Live feature is used to live search, so user can search service without refreshing the page, while a secure file update is so that the user can update images for their service. And then the system also ensures that only allowed file types is allowed, like JPG, JPG, and PNG. And then file size is in control, and it also saves storage of uploaded file. So overall, the system is secure, fast, and user-friendly, helping students easily offer and manage their service online. These are the technology that we used. First is front end. We use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. For backend, we use PHP. As for database, we use MySQL, and the tools are XAMPP and Sublime Text. So then these are the system structure. The main pages are home, which is index.php, and we have login and register page and dashboard. There's add and edit service as well, and also there's a search page. And in includes we have header.php, footer.php, and out underscore check.php. So for our database, the system use MySQL database to store the user and service data. There are two main tables that has been implemented. First will be users. It is to store the users information such as their username, email, password, and the role. For service table, it is to store the details such as title, description, price, image, and user underscore ID. The user ID in the service table is used to link each service to its owner. And this relationship also ensures a proper data organization and support role-based access control. For example, admin can manage all the service, while user can only manage their own. So this is our database design. Our database name is uh, campus underscore DP. Our database consists of two main tables, which is service table over here and user table. Service table is for storing the price, description, and the uploaded image, and also the title of the service. And user table is to store the user's username and password, and then it will be stored in the database.
Hi, my name is Noaini Elina binti Ahmad Ubaidah. My Manfred name is F1031. So, moving on to the authentication system, our platform ensures a secure environment by requiring users to log in with their email and password. For security, we use the password hash function to encrypt passwords before saving them to the database. During login, the password verify function validates the credentials. We also implement session to maintain the user's login state throughout their visit. So next, the system is built with two distinct roles, which is admin and user. The admin has full authority to manage all services across the platform. In contrast, regular users can only manage the services they have created. This role is stored in the session and checked by the system before granting access to specific pages or functions, ensuring a secure and organized workflow. On page 11, you can see the admin dashboard. A key feature here is the Go to Admin panel button, which is exclusive to administrators. The layout uses Bootstrap cards to display available services like mathematics tutoring and poster design, providing a clean and professional look for the admin to oversee the platform. Next, we have the user dashboard. Unlike the admin view, regular users do not see the admin panel options. Their interface is simplified, focusing on all services and my services. This allows students to easily navigate between browsing that others offer and managing their own listing. This page showcases our service management interface. The system supports full CRUD operation, which is create, read, update, and delete. This allows both admins and users to keep the service listing up to date, ensuring that the information provided to the campus community is always accurate. When adding a service, users fill out a form including the title, description, and price. A vital feature here is the image upload capability. The system handles file uploads securely, ensuring that only valid image formats are accepted and stored on the server to represent the service visually. To maintain data integrity, we implemented robust form validation. This happens on both the client side and server side. If a user leaves a field empty, or uploads an incorrect file type, the system triggers an error message, guiding the user to correct the information before it is processed by the database. So for page 16, we have the Ajax implementation. We use Ajax to power our live search features. This enhances the user experience by allowing users to search for services like website development in real time. The results update instantly without needing to refresh the entire page, making the system feel fast and modern.
So the first one is database output. So this database output, the picture is we show the dashboard. So all the service add by user. So each service display, for example, the web design help and they show the price and username of the person who posted. And we use the join in SQL to connect the user table and service table and can see who the post and clearly. So this is the view of the database output. So the next one is security feature. So this security feature we had important security to the protect the system and we prepare the statement to prevent SQL injections and also the hacker cannot miss with our database. And next one is HTML special. So stop AXS attacks malware script in input. And next is the season based authentication. So this one is only login in user can access for create page. And next one is access control is user can only edit, delete their own service admin can do everything. And next is system interface. So we designed to clean and easy to use interface using Bootstrap. Response for the mobile too. Example from our system. Login page, user, the entry, the email and password. And next is the add service page. To fill in the title, descriptions, and price, and upload any image. Image can be JPG and PNG. And also, this design is a simple, so user don't get confused. So we do the overall the system interface very cleanly and user friendly. And our group challenges is we face to a few problem is the well loading this Ajax live search was tricky to get the real-time result without the page read alert and also handling the file upload validation is making show only image for the JPG and PNG under the 2 MB are allowed. So next is the user roles seasons manage what user and business admin can use to. And last is the database connection issue. Sometimes XAMPP had a small error but we fixed them all. And our group improvement is we had to more time. We were to add rating, review the system, user can rate service, and also better UI UX design, make it the look even nicer and cleaner. And payment instructions like online payment for the service, and also the performance of the design, faster load and searching. And our group conclusion is we successfully developed a web application and has a login, role-based access user versus admin, and use PHP, MySQL, Bootstrap, and Ajax. Allow the students to offer and manage service easily. So all the project recommended and we are achieving this project.